I'm fishing. Fine.
Welcome to The Comfy Life. My name is Jacob, and today we are going to continue on with our vacation up in the great north woods of Wisconsin. There was just too much content to cover that I couldn't get it all in one video, so I'm going to make a couple more here. I really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe to the Comfy Life channel. Leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate your feedback. Today we're just going to keep on doing our thing, and there may be a lot of adventure. Check it out. Wouldn't be vacation if I didn't have a few projects to do with my dad. We got a couple trees that we're gonna drop. He's also got plans to finish the concrete flooring in his big shed. That's gonna be coming in a little bit later, but try to get some good footage as far as dropping those trees down and also filling in all that concrete. Should be a lot of fun. Well, it wouldn't be the Kumpfer family without what we would call adventure, because whenever we try to do a project, go on a trip, different things like that, things inevitably just happen and cause us to have an adventure. So just like when we were clearing the trees, the old skid steer decided it wanted to stop working. So we're going to putz with that for a while and see if we can get it running again. checked the fuses, we checked the seat sensor, we checked the oil, we putzed with a lot of other stuff, still couldn't get it to run. So we are going to try to just pull it off to the side to get it out of the way for now. We'll see how that goes. So what we're doing is jacking up the skid steer enough to get some of these logs put underneath, so that when we pull on our winch and possibly pull with the truck, that it will roll and get off to the side. We'll see. So it's a new day today. I figured I should explain a little bit more as to what's going on with the skid steer and what we're planning on doing today. So the other day when we were dropping those trees, the skid steer stopped working. We tried to get it back going. It just would not start. The problem with that was it was sitting right in the middle of the driveway. So we were able to winch it over to the side and get it put over. And it's not only just for us to get out of the driveway ourselves, but today we have a cement truck coming in to fill in the rest of the garage flooring. So if you can see here, it's still going to be a little tight as far as things coming through here, but I think it's off enough to the side, and if they have to drive through on there, they can make it. I really hope so. So we'll see. I'm not sure how that's going to get fixed. Dad's been making some calls, but it's going to sit there for a while, and hopefully he can get it fixed and working soon. So today's project is getting the concrete poured into the flooring. We had most of the flooring done a couple years ago here. We helped Dad out with, and there's one little section left that we have to finish out. That you can see right here is the section we have to pour. So what we're gonna do is have the cement truck come into the big door here, and they're gonna come up, put their chutes out as far as we can, and then we're going to grab our wheelbarrows, fill them up. We're gonna come over here, dump them out, and then we're going to smooth them out with our waders, and we'll see how that all goes. Well, the concrete has been poured. It is now curing. Thank goodness we were inside because it was really warm. I thought I was sweating in here. Imagine if we were pouring outside. I don't think I would have made it. But between dropping those trees and pouring this concrete, you know what they say, work hard, play hard. So we're gonna go and do some sightseeing. We're gonna go up to Upper Michigan area, check some places out that we like to go to. One is the largest chieftain Indian statue, which is really, really cool. We always go there. We also are going to Mount Zion, which is a mountain up in Upper Michigan. We get some really cool aerial views from there. And lastly, we go to a really neat park that I don't think a lot of people know exists, but it's also really fun. So take a look. All that sightseeing's got me hungry. Are you hungry? Well, it wouldn't be vacation without more food. Check out these fine establishments from the upper North Woods. got it to run. Woo! All right, Pop, so what happened?
The good news is we don't have to do a service call. This bar is a safety feature. When you lift it up, all controls lock. Parking brake on. When he lifted it up, he stepped forward to get out. This lever right there operates remotely operated auxiliary equipment. But if they're not connected to anything, there's no place for all that pressure to go. So when you press down on it, it automatically locks on. Whole thing just stalled the engine. Froze her up tight, couldn't move. I had read about it and somebody had mentioned it and I recalled it. So when I went out to charge the battery, I go, oh, it is on. I unlocked it.
There we go. Started
Easy
right
fix.
up.
Easy fix.
My bad for pushing that pedal. But we did get it fixed without having to do a service call. So that's a plus.
Yay!
Yay! Hey guys. What did I tell you?
What?
We got awesome sunsets here. And thus concludes another day in the beautiful Northwoods of Wisconsin. We got a lot done today, a lot of hard work. It's definitely going to pay off. Just going to sit here on the dock and enjoy this beautiful sunset. You can join me if you want. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it. In the immortal words of the Kumpfers, adventure.